How to find screen time on iPhone. To check the screen time of your device, open the Settings application on your iPhone device and scroll all the way down until you find Screen Time. Once you get in, you'll see your daily screen time across all your devices. Click on the See All app and website activity. You will see this week's report of your screen time. If you scroll further down, you will see your most used apps and the time you spent on them. You can see my most used apps here, which is CapCut. And if you keep scrolling, you'll see the amount of times you've picked up your phone, as well as the app that you use when you first pick up the phone. Now going back to the top, if you press the day, it shows your screen time for that day only. So this will show you the last 24 hours, showing the most apps you've used in the last 24 hours. And that's it. This is how to find screen time on your iPhone device. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.